Hey, what's up, guys? Dronil again, and today we have another project for this Rize. My next project will be installing a rear view mirror or a rear view camera, because that one you can only see the back when you put on reverse, and while you're driving you cannot see the rear of the vehicle, or you can only see the side, left and right. So, and today I got this from Amazon, Jan side brand, 3 media rear view mirror. It has this rear view camera, and it includes 33 feet of cables. That's good enough to wire underneath the vehicle and to the dashboard. So there's no option for me if I'm gonna put it like this, so the view will be inverted, because I was thinking to put it on top of that black box over there. So if you put it like this, and it's gonna be inverted, and I don't see any settings to flip it. So yeah, so this camera doesn't have a flip setting, so it's gonna be inverted. So the only way to put it is like this. It's gonna be like this, and that's gonna be the right position. You cannot put it on top like that, on top of the roof. So I will be installing to here instead of to that beside the rear view backup camera, because when you open it, it's gonna hit it. So there's no way to put it underneath that black box. The only way I can see it is just put over here. I think that's good enough. And it will be like this. We're gonna attach it to here like that. All right, so I'm gonna remove this panel, wire it through this hose, and goes behind the side molding, and wire it underneath the car. And I'm gonna put a hole there to pass through the wire of the camera. So I put a hole. So I'm gonna install it like that, and then I'm going to fish the wire, pass through to that, and connect it to here. So what I'm gonna do now is just gonna tape it together with this hose or wire hose, because if I'm gonna put it inside, it's hard to wire it all the way to the end. So I'm just gonna tape it like this. So this is what's gonna look like. So I'm gonna zip tie it with all these hoses. So attach it to that, and right there, all the way to the end. And from here, I'm gonna tuck it inside the molding fender. So from there, hide it underneath the molding. So from here, tucking in underneath the panel, and tucking in on this rubber molding. Alright, finally we're done. So here's the backup camera that I just installed. And you swipe it, you get the front and the back. You get the front and back. Or you just want to do the front. And this is the back. How cool is that? Now I can, when I'm driving, I can see behind me without looking the side mirrors, just looking at the rear view camera. So this is what gonna look like when you're driving. And that's the front, that's the rear camera. So when you're making a turn, you don't need to well, of course you have to look on your side mirrors as well, and making a right turn. So now I can see what's there's any vehicle behind me. The screen is so nice, like an HD camera. And that's the front and that's the rear. And that's the backup camera pre-installed, and this is my newly installed rear view mirror. Look how bright it is. It's already 5:44 and it's too dark outside, but look at this. And that's the rear camera. Look at the backup camera compared to rear view camera. Look like a daytime. And also this is what gonna be look like while driving at night. There's a lot of glare from the car behind you, from their headlight. Yeah, totally. You're blind, or it's like blurred. But at daytime it's gonna be clear. Yeah, totally I'm satisfied with this camera. It's so clear, so bright. So this is 5:42 in the morning, as you can see from the time. And look at the brightness. Look at the LCD screen. And this is what look like if there's no headlight behind you at night. Alright guys, that's it for now, and hope this video gives you an alternative how you can see behind your vehicle, because it's covered. You totally cannot see if you're looking up your stock rear view mirror. Alright, until then, I'll see you guys.